Hi, I'm Nikki Shaw, and today I'll show you another great way to use creamy, cheesy Velveeta. Try our delicious Velveeta beef enchilada bake. All right, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. I've already browned a pound of lean ground beef and drained it. Next, I'll add a can of cream-style corn. I'll stir that together. All right, that's blended. Next, I'll add my Velveeta. I've cut it into half-inch cubes. I'll mix this up just until the Velveeta is fully melted. My Velveeta has melted, so next I'm going to add 1/3 of my meat mixture into my 8-inch baking dish. Here I have 6 tortillas that I've cut in half, and I'll use half of that for my first layer. Next, I'll add 1/4 cup of my Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. I'm going to repeat another layer with the same amounts. Now I'll just top this off with the remaining meat mixture and Rotel. Now I'll cover it with foil and bake it for about 25 minutes till it's heated through. This looks simply delicious. There's a lot more where that came from. For more delicious Velveeta recipes, visit velveeta.com.